Hey, can you just chill, bro? It's just a draft. Hey, I can't help but this, can't help but move. When I look at you, when I look at you, look, I can't help but this, can't help but move. When I look at you, when I look at you, the way that you move.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last natural hair growth video, I shared that I desired to have waist length, and what better to scratch the itch than a wig. So the unit that I'm going to show you guys today is from UNice Hair. It does come with an elastic band, and this is what it looks like. You do have to sew it on though, and guys, this unit is so long. I got it in length 26. Go big or go home, right? And this is what the hairline looks like. It is pre-plucked. It hasn't been done extensively, but it's done well enough to where you can install without having to customize it yourself. It does come with 2 combs on the side and 1 at the bottom. I'm going to try it on now, and as you all can see, it does also come with baby hair, and they're quite long. I'm not necessarily going to use those though, but y'all, it covers my low hairline. Y'all know I'm always looking for that. So I'm going to part it to show you all what the parting space looks like. You get about 3.5–4 inches of parting space, which is pretty good. Now putting it on my mannequin head, you all can see what the hairline looks like much better. Also, here's a better idea of the length. It is in the body wave texture. I did get it in length 26, and it's in 180% density. And when I tell y'all it's thick, but in a good way though. I told y'all I want thick hair too. So this is what I'm going to use in order to tint the lace. I did use color Finest Mocha, so I'm going to spray that all over the lace, and then I'm going to use a brush in order to just smooth it all in and then dry it using a blow dryer. After I've completed this step, I'm going to begin to cut the lace off in the front.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes.
Now that the lace matches my skin tone, we can begin to install. So I'm going to put the unit on first and positioning it where I want it. You can now see that it matches my hairline so much better. I do like to work in sections, so I'm going to start on the right side first. I'm going to lift the lace and use a clip in order to hold it into place. I'm also going to lift the lace in the middle, and then I'm going to use Got2b glue. To be honest, I cannot remember the last time I've used Got2b glue gel to lay down a wig, but for this particular install, because it's not pre-plucked a whole lot on the sides, I felt like it would be better to use this because it does get really tacky, which is something that I love about the Got2b glue in the yellow bottle. And I'll also be able to manipulate my baby hair and the edges in order to make sure that it looks laid like I like it.
I'm not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me. I got what you need, just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right. Whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. It's funny how you came across my path, yeah. I can give you that good love and that will last. So place the other mister in your past. Yeah, you know it's true that you're worth more than you ever see.
So now that we have the front laid, I'm going to use a satin scarf in order to lay everything in the front. And my original plan was to do a half up, half down hairstyle, but because one side didn't quite cover my hairline fully, I decided to just manipulate the hair in the back. I'm going to add moisture to it, and I'm going to show you guys the product that I'm going to use, but this hair is so thick, y'all. I literally felt like I had 200% density. And look at where it falls on me. Who, I wish my hair would grow this long. So right now, I'm just manipulating the hair, and this would be a good time. You could use this mousse or instant freeze mousse. I decided to go for the instant freeze because I thought I was going to be putting it up, but this will be a good time while your hair is setting in the front to style it. So right now I'm just applying the mousse and I am manipulating it to form my ponytail, but then I decided, yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna wear it to the side. And as you can see, this mousse gave it a really, really nice shine. I really like that a great deal.
Ooh, baby, please just come to me. I got what you need, just know.
So I mentioned there was a product that I use in order to moisturize the hair. This is the restorative spray by Main Choice. It used to come in a different bottle, but now it looks like this, and y'all, it smells so good, and it's very, very good for your silkier texture units. So if you want to refresh loose curls, or if you want to refresh straighter units and cause it to be more conditioned, especially if you aren't washing the hair, then that's a great product. So now I'm just going to remove the satin scarf, and we're going to see how laid it is. It looks so much better. You can actually tell that the hairline has been pre-plugged using the Gossipy Glue Gel, because I did actually make sure it was nice and sleek. Another thing I'd like to mention about this unit is to be careful where you part it. What I realized later is that I had parted it too far over to the side and there wasn't lace in that area. So you want to be careful about that. It doesn't have 4 inches of parting throughout, and some units do come like that, but this one did not. So just keep that in mind.
I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile, look deep in your eyes. I'll ease your mind, kiss you just right. Whisper.
Now, because I've applied so much mousse along the hairline as well as the area near the parting, I am going to use these rapid strips in order to lay everything and set it in place. This is also a good technique in order to make sure that your unit is nice and flat at the top.
I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you.
After removing the wrap strips, this unit is laid, honey. You can also go in with your hot comb, and I am going to do that a bit just in the back because it wasn't as flat as I would have liked. I wish I had applied more mousse in that area, but I didn't. So I'm just going to flatten that out, and we're going to pretty much be done, guys. This next step is optional, but I do like to go in with my MAC face powder to add definition to the part.
Hey, I just want to talk to you. Baby, can we talk a while? Yeah. And see what this love can do. It's just gonna be us two. Cause baby, this love was made just for you. I promise you, baby, that I won't waste your time. I don't wanna waste your time. I'll make sure you're safe, make sure you're satisfied, love. You are a jewel, you are one of a kind. And I ain't leaving until you are mine. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile, look deep in your eyes. I'll ease your mind.
Okay guys, so the hair looks so bomb down, but I wanted to show you guys that you could wear it in a long ponytail and it would look so cute. You could also add some headbands. Y'all, I've really been into headbands lately, and I bought so many on Amazon, but these are just 2 sets that I got. This one is so gorgeous. I love these with the pearl beading. Oh, they're so beautiful and perfect for any occasion. Y'all, when we can go on vacation, this type unit would be so beautiful for it, along with some cute headbands. How adorable.
Mine, kiss you just right. Whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you, I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright y'all, that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed seeing me install this unit as well as getting some style inspiration. Be sure to check the description box. I'll have all the links and specification for this unit as well as all the products that I use and these gorgeous headbands. I look forward to your comments and feedback. I'm going to try on one other headband and we're pretty much going to be finished. I love you guys. Happy hair growth journey to you guys. Continue to take care of your hair underneath your wigs. I love you all and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.